Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss the angle formed inside the circle by the two intersecting chords. And in this case, the intersecting chords that we have is a segment AE and segment BD. Now, we are trying to find out the measure of angle ACB. Given tayo ng measure ni arc AB, which is 80 degrees, and the measure of arc DE, which is 40 degrees. Now, para mas simple yung formula, we have this formula, okay? So, the measure of the angle is equal to 1/2 the sum of arc 1 plus arc 2. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Yung angle na na-form is equal siya sa kalahati ng sum ng arc 1 at ng arc 2. So, yung measure ni arc 1, i-add mo siya kay arc 2, tapos i-divide mo siya by 2, makukuha mo yung measure nung angle. So, having that, let's make a working equation para ma-solve natin yung missing angle. So, since we have angle there, so the measure of angle ACB, which is missing, is equal to 1/2, okay, the measure of arc 1 plus arc 2. Pero paano na ba natin malalaman kung sino si arc 1 at kung sino si arc 2? Kahit sino sa kanila. Dahil addition naman to, pwede silang magkabaliktad. Pero pag minus, hindi pwede. Okay, so pwede nyo unahin si arc DE, pwede nyo rin unahin si arc AB. Sige, unahin natin si arc or the measure of arc AB. Okay? Plus the measure of arc DE. Okay? Now let's substitute. We have copy 1/2. Now what is the measure of arc AB? It is, correct, 80 degrees. Now, what is the measure of arc DE? We have a 40. Okay? Dahil naka-parenthesis si 80 plus 40, unahin natin sila. So, 80 plus 40, we have 120. So, 1/2 of 120 is how many? Kalahati ni 120 is how many? We have 60. So, the measure of angle ACB is 60. Ito ay 60. Now, if you're trying to find for the measure of angle DCE, dahil vertical angles sila, ibig sabihin, ito saka ito congruent. So, kung 60 to, this one is also 60 degrees. But since we are just trying to solve for the value of the measure of angle ACB, okay na tayo dito kay 60. Now, kung naintindihan itong example na to, you try to solve for the measure of angle DCE. DCE. Given kayo ng measure ng arc DE, which is 90 degrees, and arc AE, which is 20 degrees. Okay? Now, don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Kaya i-share na ang video na to. Bye!